Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Cobra X 3D Printer. A new level of creativity comes alive when the Anycubic Cobra X 3D printer 600mm per second max print speed 2x time and material saving built-in 4-color printing automatic leveling printer starts transforming imagination into reality. Every idea develops into a tangible creation with remarkable precision, turning simple concepts into projects that feel personal, meaningful, and inspiring. A workspace evolves into a center of innovation where every layer adds depth and every print tells a story, making the creative process as rewarding as the finished piece. Many people seek tools that allow them to express their creativity with ease while maintaining quality and efficiency. This printer fulfills that desire by offering smooth, reliable performance that encourages experimentation and exploration. Watching a design form layer by layer creates a sense of pride and accomplishment, turning ordinary ideas into extraordinary works. Each session becomes a journey that fuels inspiration, motivates imagination, and sparks new ideas for future projects. Every printed object carries significance beyond its physical form. Personalized designs, functional prototypes, and artistic creations gain uniqueness and character that make them memorable and special. Each layer reflects care, thought, and creativity, transforming simple ideas into treasured works that can be admired, shared, and valued for years. The increasing popularity of advanced 3D printing highlights the demand for tools that are precise, innovative, and approachable. This printer meets that expectation perfectly, supporting both spontaneous experimentation and carefully planned projects. Its fast print speed, four-color printing capability, and automatic leveling make every print smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated creative exploration. Owning this printer opens a gateway to unlimited imagination, where every creation inspires creativity, every detail stands out, and every finished project becomes a cherished accomplishment. Number 2. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. A world of limitless creativity opens the moment the Creality K1 Max 3D Printer 600mm per second printing speed dual-gear direct drive extruder 300x300x300mm begins transforming imagination into reality. Every idea evolves into a physical creation with remarkable precision, turning simple concepts into projects that feel personal, inspiring, and meaningful. A workspace transforms into a hub of innovation where each layer adds depth and every printed object tells a story, making the act of creation an immersive and exciting experience. Many people seek tools that allow them to express creativity while maintaining accuracy and efficiency. This printer fulfills that need by providing smooth and reliable performance that encourages experimentation and exploration. Watching a design emerge layer by layer creates a sense of pride and accomplishment, turning ordinary ideas into extraordinary creations. Every session becomes a journey that sparks imagination, fuels inspiration, and motivates continuous innovation. Each printed creation carries significance beyond its physical form. Personalized prototypes, functional models, and artistic projects gain uniqueness and character, making them memorable and special. Every layer reflects care, thought, and creativity, transforming simple concepts into treasured works that can be admired, shared, and appreciated for years to come. The increasing popularity of advanced 3D printing demonstrates the demand for tools that are innovative yet approachable. This printer meets that expectation perfectly, supporting both spontaneous experimentation and carefully planned projects. Its high printing speed, dual-gear direct drive extruder, and precise operation make every print smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated creative expression. Owning this printer unlocks a gateway to unlimited imagination, where every project inspires innovation, every detail stands out, and every finished creation becomes a cherished achievement. Number 3. FlashForge AD5X 3D Printer. The FlashForge AD5X 3D Printer Multicolor Printing Intelligent Filament System One-Click Auto Leveling Group Control transforms the way creativity comes to life, turning ideas into tangible masterpieces. Every layer tells a story, each model reflecting imagination, care, and personal expression. The excitement of watching a concept gradually form into a detailed creation fills the mind with pride and satisfaction, creating an emotional connection between the creator and the finished work. This printer empowers both beginners and professionals to explore possibilities without limits. Multicolor printing becomes effortless, allowing designs to pop with vibrancy and depth. The intelligent filament system ensures every transition is smooth, while the one-click auto-leveling provides accuracy that brings confidence to every project. As imagination flows, even the most intricate ideas transform into visually striking and functional creations that capture attention and admiration. Every printed object gains significance, whether it is a personalized model, artistic display, or practical prototype. Each piece carries uniqueness, creating lasting memories and tangible evidence of creativity. The group control feature adds convenience, letting multiple projects advance seamlessly, enhancing productivity without sacrificing quality or detail. The desire for advanced, approachable tools is growing, and this printer answers that call. It bridges the gap between imagination and reality, making complex designs achievable and enjoyable. Each creation inspires a sense of accomplishment, sparks curiosity, and motivates further exploration. With this printer, every print session becomes a journey, every layer a testament to creativity, and every finished piece a reason to celebrate the power of imagination and innovation. Number 4. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo 3D Printer. A new world of creativity comes alive when the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo Multicolor 3D Printer High-Precision Core XY Stable Structure Ultra-Quiet Max Speed 600mm per second 3D printer starts printing, turning imagination into tangible reality. Every idea transforms into a physical creation with vivid detail, making each project feel personal, meaningful, and inspiring. A simple workspace evolves into a place of innovation where every print tells a story and every layer adds depth to the vision. Many people look for a way to bring their creativity to life while maintaining precision and quality. This printer fulfills that desire by offering smooth, reliable performance that feels effortless and intuitive. Watching a design emerge layer by layer creates a sense of achievement and joy, turning ordinary ideas into extraordinary creations. Each print becomes an experience that motivates continued exploration and pushes the boundaries of imagination. Every finished object carries significance beyond its form. Personalized gifts, prototypes, or artistic designs gain a unique presence that reflects care, effort, and creativity. Each layer captures thought and attention, making every piece feel special and worthy of admiration. Projects become memories, stories, and expressions of passion that last far beyond their creation. The growing interest in high-precision, multicolor 3D printing highlights the desire for tools that are both advanced and approachable. This printer meets that need, supporting both spontaneous experiments and carefully planned projects. Its quiet operation and stable structure make the printing process smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated use. Owning this printer opens a path to limitless creativity, where every project inspires imagination, every detail stands out, and every completed creation becomes a treasured accomplishment. Number 5. Anacubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra 3D Printer. A sense of imagination comes alive when the Anacubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra AE version LCD 3D printer 7-inch 10K high-precision 3D printing 2.2-liter build volume 236mm by 231mm by 430mm begins its work, turning ideas into real, tangible creations. Every design grows with sharp detail and clarity, transforming simple concepts into pieces that feel meaningful, inspiring, and personal. A workspace changes into a hub of creativity where each layer adds depth, and each project becomes a story waiting to be told. Many people want tools that help them bring visions to life while maintaining accuracy and quality. This printer fulfills that need by delivering smooth and dependable performance that is intuitive and easy to use. Watching a model take shape layer by layer creates a feeling of accomplishment, making the creative process exciting and satisfying. Every print becomes a rewarding journey that encourages exploration and imagination. Every printed object carries value beyond its physical form. Personalized designs, prototypes, or artistic creations gain uniqueness and personality that make them stand out. Each layer reflects attention and thought, turning ordinary ideas into treasured pieces that can be admired, shared, and remembered. The growing demand for high-precision 10K LCD 3D printing shows the desire for advanced, accessible tools that inspire creativity. This printer aligns perfectly with that trend, supporting both spontaneous experiments and planned projects. Its stability, precision, and smooth operation make printing enjoyable, stress-free, and inspiring. Owning this printer unlocks the ability to transform imagination into reality, where every creation sparks creativity, every detail shines, and every finished piece becomes a cherished accomplishment.